Hey, hello world. This is Deacon. Today I want to share with you this awesome tool called Create Transcript. If you're like me, you like to take notes from watching YouTube videos, no matter if it is a tutorial, meeting recording, conference, or seminar, anything you wanted to take notes and extrapolate insight from a video, this is the tool that you need. It supports 1,500 platforms and all the major creator and podcaster is listed on here. With this tool powered by AI, you don't even need that podcast. What you can do is summarize key points from your transcript, creating questions and answers. We can test that. Let's see if they can. Perfect punctuation and formatting. Let's dive in. Okay, let's try this tool with this Honey Badger video. For anybody who are not familiar with Honey Badger, they don't give a shit about anything, and you can see in this infamous video.
This is the honey badger. Watch it run in slow motion. It's pretty badass. Look, it runs all over the place. Whoa, watch out, says that bird. Ew, it's got a sneak.
Just copy the link, paste it in here, or you can upload your files. It has to be 30 minutes long, but if you upgrade your plan, you can go up to 4 gig. You can choose all of them. I'm very greedy. Let's go with all of them, test them all out. Click transcribe, fetching video, loading transcript. It's taking a bit of time. So in here, it shows the status. So the job has been submitted to the queue. Okay, that's done. So summary, let's see what we have in here. This is Honey Badger. Watch it run in slow motion. It's pretty badass. Look, it runs over the bee. Wow, watch out, says the birds. It got a snake. Oh, it's chasing a jackal. Oh my gosh. Oh, the Honey Badger are just crazy. So the transcript looks right to me. It's pretty accurate. There's like some punctuation missing here and there, but it's all in all, it's very good. Goes right to the house. The bee gets some larva. How disgusting is that? It eats larva. Ew, is so nasty. Yeah, it captures all the transcript really well. And it knows that it's only coming from one speaker. Okay, let's see what we have in the summary. So the video shows the honey badger running in slow motion and being fearless. It eats snakes, larvae, and even gets stung by bees but doesn't care. The honey badger is portrayed as a fearless and relentless hunter. Fearlessness, hunting, eating habits, behavior, it doesn't divide it into any chapters at all. Honey badger, the ultimate predator, pretty cool. Honey badger are the most fearless animal in the animal kingdom. Watch them in action in these incredible videos. Hashtags fearless. There's a conclusion too. In this blog post, the tone is way more educational and scientific, I would say. One of the most intense encounters of honey badger is battle with king cobra. It takes away off the wittiness and make it into a more educational blog post. Newsletter. Unleash the fearless nature of the honey badger. Similar to the blog post, highlighting the battle, the scavenger of the animal kingdom, referred to by the Guinness World Book of World Record as the most fearless animals in all of animal kingdom. It has to be the most fearless. What does honey badger eat when it is hungry? So it eats snakes, mice, nope. Bees, nope. Okay. Well, it was stung by bees. What do other animals do when the honey badger is eating? Wait around until the honey badger is done eating, then scoop and pick up the scraps. The other incorrect options are actually pretty on point too. Imagine if it is a scientific videos or some sort of much more technical videos. I would assume that it would come up with like way better options. The quiz actually makes sense, and you can practice off it. What happens to honey badger after it is bitten by a snake? It's passed out for a minute and gets back in. Yep, it doesn't give a fuck. All right, ask GPT. What does the honey badger is referred to as the most fearless animal in the animal kingdom, and it really doesn't give a shit if it is hungry. It's pretty good. Quote. As you can see in this simple example, it does a pretty good job. It's a 3-minute video. It comes up with like pretty on point output for different types of features, summaries, topics, and so on. So let's try out with a different videos, a more technical one. Let's do AI video, for example. These are very long video. Let's grab a shorter one. You know what? Let's watch Jordan Peterson and Sam Harris debate. This video is by this YouTuber called the Rubin Report, and it features two modern day philosopher, Jordan Peterson and Sam Harris, debating. It would be a good video just to test if it could tell different people apart, and this video would have different viewpoint as Jordan and Sam always do. So let's see if it would do a good job in summarizing. I have to transcribe everything, and I gotta say the speed is pretty impressive too. This tool definitely is built with LLM. If it is built with OpenAI, it probably uses the speech-to-text Whisper API. The tool will extrapolate the audio content from the video or from whatever medias that you input, and then it pings the Whisper API, generate the text, and then uses ChatGPT to create summaries and chapters and titles by using the output context. Transcript is usually the fastest because that would be the direct output from processing the speech-to-text process. So as you can see, he was so addicted to it that he needs to buy the platform. Let's watch a little bit about this video.
Listen to Sam's take on it, and I think you'll see how we're connecting it to everything else.
I mean, look at what Twitter...
Okay, so the video start off with Sam talking about Elon Musk, and then Dave Rubin chime in response to Sam comment, and then Sam continue talking.
Elon's life. Elon used to be a friend. He's somebody I knew reasonably well.
Speaker one, this is Sam. He was so addicted to it that he felt he needs to buy the platform. Speaker two is Dave, and then goes back to Sam again. So it's on point. So can we change let's say we change to the name of speaker one, would that propagate all of the other? Oh wow, it does. Okay, so speaker two, Dave Rubin, save change. Jordan Peterson doesn't speak in this video. Mostly it's just Sam Harris running his rant about his opposition and discontent toward Elon. And then there's a Dave commentary. Let's go to summary. So what is this video about without even watching it? Because the speaker discussed Elon Musk's addiction to Twitter and his irresponsible use of the platform. Okay, he agrees that Musk's compulsive use of Twitter has been detrimental to his reputation and personal life. Is there a way, after updating the transcript, all the other output would also update with the corresponding speaker or the corresponding updated information? But as a matter of fact, there's two speakers in the video. So the speaker believed, which is Sam Harris, believed that Musk's purchase of Twitter was driven by his addiction. Okay. He contrasts Musk with others. So it doesn't really show what Dave was talking about. And Dave has made some commentary on Sam's rhetoric too. He actually talked a lot at the end. So the summary didn't really summarize what Dave said. Twitter, Elon Musk, social media addiction, platform ownership, woke culture. Elon's Twitter addiction, discussion on Elon's addiction to Twitter and its impact on his reputation and behavior. Title: Elon Musk's compulsive Twitter addiction, the truth about Elon Musk's catastrophic Twitter engagement. So everything is about Elon Musk, which is true, that is what Sam was talking about. But I would appreciate if it generates title, especially for YouTube and for any videos content. Shouldn't it also mention who is talking about Elon Musk? So in this case, Sam is making a bunch of comments. These titles are pretty clickbaity, which is great, but it omitted Sam's involvement and also Dave Rubin's involvement as well. Dave Rubin is just a commentator, but then Sam is the person who is actually talking about Elon, heated hatred for Elon Musk, compulsive Twitter addiction, something like that, something crazy like that, right? But at least you have to put the author, the speaker into the title. So social is Twitter derailing Elon Musk, Sam Harris. All right, here it mentioned about Sam Harris, which is good. Sam Harris discuss. Okay, so all of the social title it has mentioning of Sam, which is good, but not the titles. So I guess like the socials and so Twitter's I run out of cost for this. So for blog posts, let's have a look. So the impact of Elon Musk's use of Twitter. So in the recent video, Sam Harris shared his perspective of Elon Musk's use of Twitter and its impacts on his personal and professional life. Let's dive into the details and explore the implication of Musk's engagements with the platform. The tone here is way more professional, and it's written in a way where I would expect ChatGPT would write. On the other hand, there are those who defend Musk's action. So it first talks about the impact, and then additional comments on Elon's behavior, boosting anonymous account and QAnon's trolls, defending. So it highlights all of the key points that Sam's has talked about in the video, and then comes up with a conclusion. That's great. So Lewis letter, unpacking Elon Musk's Twitter impact, what you need to know. That's great. It's not very clickbaity. Again, more professional and less engaging than the output you can see from socials or Twitter. So it puts it in bullet point. That's great. In conclusion, what do we have here? But I was just talking about the way he has personally used it as a user of the platform and the way he interact with people and signal boosts massively the profiles on anonymous QAnon lunatic trolls, right? Okay, quote by Sam, kind of out of context. If someone of his talent who has so many other good things to do with his 24 hours in any given day, is this derailed by this platform? The guy has brought this thing because he has been defending free speech. So I actually watched the whole video. I'm a fan of both Jordan Peterson and Sam was talking about how Elon has brought this thing, how Elon was claiming that he brought Twitter to defend free speech, but as a matter of fact, but in his opinion, it's because he's addicted to Twitter. So this quote again is quite out of context. Like the accuracy of these quotes, I would say, is quite lackluster. They're just pulling different things, different transcript out of like the whole thing and put it at quotes. Looks very out of context to me. So what have Twitter done to Elon's life according to Sam? Improve it, has no impact, being catastrophic, make it more interesting. I know the correct answer should be being catastrophic, but I would say it makes it more interesting. Disregarding of what's your opinion of Elon Musk, I felt that the whole saga of him buying Twitter and killing the bird and changing to X is just makes the whole timeline very interesting, if you ask me. So what if Elon Musk's engagement with Twitter described by Sam? Nope, definitely not responsible. Cavalier, yes. Okay. So let's ask who is in the video. I'm asking this because I want to see if ChatGPT is smart enough to know that Jordan Peterson, although who has not spoken in the video, is actually part of the video, as well as Dave Rubin, who is doing the commentary. So Elon Musk and Sam Harris are mentioned in the video. So it's mentioned in the video, but again, Elon Musk is not in the video. He was being mentioned. This output has to be improved, but based on 4 minutes and 16 seconds of transcript, I would say have done a pretty good job. Let's take a look at the pricing. So there's no freemium plan. The one that I was using is just a free trial for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you have to purchase credit. $10 per month for 300 minutes per month is quite conservative. With this tool, although it's very powerful, but you can definitely tinker around with Whisper API if you have a bit of technical knowledge, or you can even use Google Cloud's speech-to-text model to do something similar. So all in all, it's a very good service. The pricing could be a bit more competitive to make it more attractive, because $10 for a month for 300 minutes video is not a lot. People who use such tool are going to need it for long form videos, more technical videos to create study plans or to summarize meeting notes and whatnot. People are not gonna create transcript for short videos like what we just went through. So this is could be improved if you ask me, but overall I'm really happy with the service. I would give it 8 out of 10 for the accuracy, but for pricing, hopefully they will provide a better freemium version, so people can use it, maybe perhaps with less feature, but all in all, it's very great. This tool is great for, again, podcaster, creator, but I would see, people, students or teachers or anybody who is doing research, this will be of great use, because any long form videos, any like tutorials, let's say if you're learning on a craft, learning how to code, and you have to watch a bunch of videos just to learn about some frameworks or coding language. So this video will be great because usual tutorial lasts for hours, and having a tool like this would extrapolate any key points that you need, so you can create a study plan, and then with ChatGPT, you can speed up your learning exponentially. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the like button below. Turn on the notification bell and let me know if you like these kind of videos. I'm passionate with sharing any cool AI tool out there with everybody. If there's any tools or any use case, any business needs that you want to see a video of, let me know. Put it in the comment and I will create a video next. Until next time.